Hey guys, it's Tika and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how I put together these tiny tan cookies. So let's get started. I'm beginning with a medium-sized round and I'm just using some medium consistency royal icing to outline this cookie and fill it in. You can use whatever colors that you want, but I was actually given a picture of tiny tan, so I tried to match the backgrounds as closely as I could to the ones in the picture. And then I'm just going to place one of these cookies in front of my projector and add the image on using a silver rainbow dust marker. And I'm just going to do like a rough outline of the hair and just the face and ears. From there, I am going to take a nice sort of runny detail consistency icing. This isn't too thick, but it's not too thin. And I am just going to outline the hairline as well as the face and the ears. And then I'm going to let all of these dry for about 30 minutes. Once they've dried over a little bit, then I'm going to take this nice flesh toned royal icing. This is also in a medium consistency, and I'm going to fill in their faces. Once their faces are nice and full and they've had about 30 minutes to dry, then I'm going to fill in the space for their ears. I don't want their ears to kind of mesh in with the face, so I let the first layer of their skin on their face crust over a little bit and then add in the ears. And time to let these dry for about an hour. And then we're going to come back with everybody's respectable hair color. This is also a medium consistency, and we're just going to fill in all of the spaces. Using a scribe, I'm just going to work everything into the nooks and crannies. And then these are going to dry just one more time, y'all. Just once more for about 5 to 7 hours or overnight. I prefer overnight because for the next step, I have here a little bit of edible paint that I've prepared. And we're going to add some details on with an edible marker and some paint. I made a mixture for everybody's individual eye color and eyebrows. So I'm just going to start with a little bit of white here. And I'm going to do the white parts of the eyes. I'm also going to add in the eyebrows. And I'm going to do a little bit more on the eyes. I like for the white to be a little bit thick. It's a little translucent, so I want that white to really pop. And then with my projector again, I am just going to start adding on the details for the eyes. I'm also going to add on the mouth, and I'm going to put a little bit more detail onto the ears. I'm going to add some more lines and details to the eyes. And then I'm going to finish filling in their own little colors. Next thing I'm going to do is adjust my picture a little bit, and I'm going to start adding in some details for the hair. And that is all. I'm actually finished. I did this exact step to all of my tiny tan to get these adorable little faces. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you try it for yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next one.